Simple fixes to have you sleeping soundly and snore-free. Many people say that it is rather hard to completely prevent someone from snoring, but that is only true if you do not take the necessary steps to figure what the causes are. Like anything in life, education is key, and this applies to snoring prevention too. Continue on for some great snoring prevention tips. To help stop snoring problems, try to avoid taking sleeping pills or other types of tranquilizing medication to help you rest. These sleep aids may help you feel more restful, but they also contribute to both snoring and sleep apnea. Some tranquilizers are even addictive and can cause health problems if overused. Excessive snoring can sometimes keep you from getting a restful night's sleep, but if you do snore, never take sleeping pills. Sleeping pills cause every muscle in your body to relax, including the muscles in your jaw and neck. This will only serve to make your snoring problems worse, and severe problems like sleep apnea can develop. To keep yourself from snoring at night, turn on a humidifier before you go to sleep. The warm moisture will keep mucus from gathering in your throat, and will keep your whole nasal system moist. These two factors will keep your nasal passageways clearer, and keep you from snoring all night. Stop snoring as much by quitting your smoking habit. However, if quitting is not an option, refrain from smoking in the hours before bedtime. Smoking causes the tissues in your throat and sinus cavity to swell, reducing your airway capacity significantly. This inflammation and narrowing leads to snoring, therefore, not smoking should relieve some of the swelling. As stated from the video above, most people do not believe that you can prevent people from snoring. But if you know the causes of why a person snores, then there is no reason why you cannot make the necessary lifestyle changes to stop it from happening. Take the tips from this video and apply them to your own everyday life so you can stop snoring too. Would you like to learn this easy, throat exercise, that eliminates your snoring tonight? Visit secretsnoringhack.com. Want to stop snoring tonight? This simple, 3-minute exercise, permanently eliminates snoring, as soon as tonight. Visit secretsnoringhack.com to learn all of this, and more. Link in the description.